This 2015 Newmar Dutch Star 4002 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Newmar is 40 feet 9 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Cordova Decor, Carmel Glazed Cherry Cabinetry interior, sleeps 4, stove-top burner, water heater, refrigerator, skylight, leveling jacks, TV, air conditioning, awning, slide-out, external shower, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2015 Newmar Dutch Star 4002 is built on a Freightliner XC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.